November 2018 fully loaded kit unboxing. Yes, you guys, this is an amazing kit. You will get so many awesome projects for the Christmas season. You have a couple dies, stamp sets, lots of embellishments, beautiful paper collection, and I'll go through all that in just a minute, but I want to point out that in your box you will receive a printout of all the items that are in the kit. And also, if you are a subscriber, you get additional goodies, and for this month you will get the die set to go along with the Lawn Fawn stamp set. So it is a good idea to become a subscriber. And also you'll receive another sheet with our regular designers and our guest designers, and also each designer will have a list of social media links besides the YouTube channel where you can get ideas and see their projects, as well as future projects and current projects that are this month. So make sure to check that out when you receive your kit. I also have created a playlist where you can go back and look at all the previous kits and 10 card projects that all the designers have on their YouTube channels. So let's go ahead and get started with the paper collection. First up, we have the 12x12 Cartabella Santa's Workshop 4x6 journaling card sheet. So you get 6 journaling cards, and I love it because it is a vintage theme, very cute, reminiscent of the old style. So cute. Love the truck. And then on the back side you get this beautiful garland print. Next up, we have one sheet of 8 assorted tags from Pebbles Cozy and Bright collection. So you get these 8 tags, and this is the print on the back side. Next up, we'll go ahead and start with the plain cardstock. We have 3 sheets of 8.5 by 11. 110-pound white cardstock, and this is alcohol marker friendly. You get 1 sheet of 8.5 by 11 red cardstock, 1 sheet of 8.5 by 11 light craft cardstock, 1 sheet of 8.5 by 5.5 green cardstock, 1 sheet approximately 5 1/4 by 5 3/4 light blue mirrored cardstock. Beautiful light mirrored cardstock. One sheet of 8 1/4 by 5 3/4 white glitter cardstock, and the same size in the silver glitter cardstock. Very good selection. As an add-on, I have the red mirrored cardstock, 8.5 by 11. Very, very thick, great quality cardstock. So I'm going to share the 12 sheets of 6x6 double-sided paper. This is Santa's Workshop by Cartabella, and I'm going to zoom in so that I don't make you dizzy, and then I'll just move each sheet to the right after I show you the design. Once again, a very nice vintage theme. I love this. This is going to be fun, of old-timey Christmas, and they are double-sided, and this is the back side of that sheet. This has the Santa and his reindeers, and then, oh, love this color. Look at how perfectly these 2 sheets match. You can use that as a mat. This one is the collection of Christmas toys on one side, and then this print on the back. I'm wondering if if I have these upside down. I'm not sure. Looks like I might, but that's okay. Beautiful snowflake print. And then you get the Christmas wreaths on that side. Once again, the Christmas baubles. Beautiful red print with snowflakes. And then these can be cut into strips. And then you can use this beautiful blue snow pattern. Who doesn't like Santa faces? Super cute. And then beautiful plaid on the back. Here's a scaled down version of the large cut aparts with the same pattern on the back with the holly and berries. Oh my goodness, look at this little truck. Full sheet of the little trucks, and then the holly pattern on the back. Super cute. Christmas print with the candy cane stripe. Here's a beautiful scene builder. Love these. They're so easy to put together. And then some stripes on the back. Snow and wind drifts on that sheet. And then the Christmas trees on that. So those are the 12 sheets, double-sided Santa's Workshop paper collection by Cartabell. So now we're going to move on to some dies and embellishments. Now let's move on to the die and stamp sets that we get in the kit. First we have the Lawn Fawn Oh What Fun stamp set. And you get this little bear on a sleigh with a couple snowflakes, 2 sentiments that reads Oh What Fun and then Merry Christmas. If you are a subscriber, you will get the matching die set for that. I'm super excited about this one. This is the memory box. It's from Memory Box, and it is the Pinpoint Snowflake Circle Frame. Beautiful, beautiful die. I've cut that out, and I will show you what that looks like cut without separating the pieces. I'm going to show you that first, and then I'm going to go ahead and separate these and then show you what additional looks you can get with this one die. So here it is. Oh my gosh, isn't this beautiful? This would be great to make shaker cards with. So you get this centerpiece with the snowflake, and that does pop out like this. Let's see if I can get that out quickly. So you get this beautiful snowflake, and you get this inner piece, and then 2 rings if you don't separate the dies or stack them together as a cutout. So now I'm going to go ahead and pause and come back and show you what look you get if the dies are separated. Okay, so I've gone ahead and separated my dies, and these are the 3 dies. And once again, if you didn't want to separate your dies because you want this look, all you have to do is just stack them back together, and you can still achieve this look here. So you have several options to your die. So this is what you get when you separate them. You get the solid piece, a center solid piece, which can be popped up or add a sentiment to that, or you can layer your snowflake on top of that. And then you get this piece, which can go behind your main decorative circle, and then you get an outer ring as well. So these can all be done in different colors or glitter cardstock. Lots and lots of options with this one die. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the embellishment pack. We have 1 bag of Creative Escape Papercrafting Prancer Sequence Mix. And I'm going to just lay out a few of these super cute colors to match your collection. And you get white, some reindeer, red sequins and stars, green, just an assortment of beautiful holiday colors to match your collection. You even get some seed beads in that one as well. So we get that. Next up, let's look at our ribbon. Oh my gosh. This organza ribbon is beautiful. It's a yard of light blue ribbon. Beautiful ribbon. And it's, I said 1 yard. Okay, then you get this pretty yard of green ribbon. 1 yard. The 1 yard of golden white ribbon. It has a silver trim. Yeah, silver trim and white, not gold. Sorry. Left, right, silver, gold. I'm always confused. And then also, oh, look at this. Baker's twine in red and white. Lovely. Looks like candy cane. So cute. And then 1 yard of, let's see. I don't see this one. Oh, okay. This one's the golden white. Okay. Golden white baker's twine. Sorry, I was looking at my notes. Put that on the black cardstock and see if you can see that a little bit better. There you go. Super cute. Okay guys, that concludes the unboxing of this awesome kit. I shall leave the link in the description box to Creative Escape Papercrafting. This cardstock is my favorite. It's so nice and thick. So go ahead and visit Creative Escape Papercrafting for your November fully loaded kit. Thanks everyone for watching. Take care.